Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add or remove a credit card or a debit card from Temu. Now this is nice and easy to do, so let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how we can get this done right now. So to start with, you first want to have Temu open like I have here. And then at the bottom you have a few different options, but we would just want to select you in the middle. And then you just want to scroll down until you get to settings, which we can find down here. Go ahead and click on that when you see it. And then if you look at the second one down, you can see your payment methods. You want to go ahead and click on that. And here's where it will show you where your credit or debit card is on Temu. Now, I don't actually have one added, but if you do have one added, where it says it is empty for me, it will show your card there. And what you want to do is just click on it and remove that card. And then from there, you'll be asked again, do you want to remove it? And you just want to confirm and say yes, remove card. And then after you've done that, you will have actually successfully removed the credit or debit card from your Temu account. In the case that you want to add it back again or add in a different one, you want to simply just click this add a credit or debit card button here. And then from here, you can type in your card number, your expiration date and your CVV. And then you can select add card at the bottom and your card will be added to Temu. And then you can start adding stuff to your cart and actually purchasing stuff from Temu. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully now know how to remove your debit or credit card from Temu. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.